Welcome to the video. We are going to solve word break problem. It is pretty common and standard problem when it comes to interviews. Okay. So in this question we are given a dictionary of n words and a string. Okay. We have to find whether we can break or we can segment this string into the words which are there in the dictionary, into the words which are there in the dictionary. See the string in example 1 is I like. Okay, it looks like I like. Can it be broken down or segmented into the words which are there in the dictionary? Okay, if we take the first two words in the dictionary, zeroth and first index, I like, and together they will form the string one, the string input. Okay, hence we will return one, which is true. In example two, the word is I like Samsung. Can it be broken? Yes. If we take the first four word, I like Samsung. I like Samsung. It can be segmented, okay, into a space separated. These words present in the dictionary. Cool. Similarly, the other way, you can take the first two words, I like, and you can take the fifth word or fourth index, Samsung. I like Samsung. Okay, so there are two ways, but at the end, we do not have to return the number of ways. We just need to find whether it can be segmented or not. So you can use use recursion or DP for it. Although they have given order of n square here, but since Python was giving TLE for 5 6 test cases at the end, so I'm doing this question using a hash map. Okay, let's begin. So first of all, I will create a dictionary of hash map. Okay, and I will traverse for all the words which are there in the dictionary, which are there in the dictionary, and I will store the word key as the word which is there in the dictionary and true as their value, true as their values. This will return the valid words. This will return the valid words. Okay. See in the input examples it is pretty straightforward and we can see, but in the hidden cases we will not be able to. So here I'm creating a dictionary of hash map of valid words. Okay, so this word can be formed I, my, you, see. Okay, these type of words can be formed. Okay, so these are the valid words which will help us. Okay, now we'll create a utility function in order to solve this question, which will get two value, this dictionary and the input string line, which we need to solve. Okay, first of all, I will store the length of this string line and we'll check the base condition if n is 0. If n is 0, return true. What does this signifies? It signifies that the input string, which is line over here, has been segmented into the required words. Has already been segmented and will be zero only then. Okay. Then I will create an empty string temp and I will traverse for all the words in the for all the uh, character in the input line. Now I will append all the words one by one. Now, as I append the ith character of the word into the temporary string, I will check if this temp is already there in the string in the dictionary or not. If this temp is already there in the dictionary or not. Okay, and along with this one more recursive condition, if I is there, if I plus one is also there or not. It means okay, I is there. Okay, like see for the Sam here, S is there, but whether S or M is there or not, because see the second word is SU, right? If S is there, you have to check whether it is SA is there or not, or it is some other word. Okay. In this way, we'll check if the currently formed word is there in the dictionary, and along with that, the next preceding character, the next preceding character substring is there in the or there in the dictionary or not. And I will repeat again, it is checking the substring. Okay. If it is the case, then return true. We are able to get what if needed. But if at the end we have traversed entire input string line and we are not able to find form a word, temporary word, which is there in the dictionary, in that case we'll return false. Now, we'll come to the main function and we'll see how we will pass it. So the first is return true, return true if this utility function which we formed is true or not. If this is true, if this utility function gave us true, returned us true, in that case we will return true. And if not, we will return false. So the everything boils down to if this utility function returns true, we will return true as well. If it does not return false, if it does returns false, which means we cannot find a word in the which can be segmented from the words in the dictionary. And that in that case will return false. Let me submit it and check our proximity. Okay, yeah, it did the job pretty effortlessly. So I hope you enjoyed it and learned a new concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.